I'll be going over the equation 405 minus 189. To start off, I'll be using a mental math strategy, a number line. So 405, 189. To compensate for simplicity, I'll be moving 405 5 spots to 400 and 189 1 spot to 190. From this, it's easier to find 400 minus 190 to be 210. After this, it's important to remember to include our compensation, 500 and 5 and 1. So 210 plus 5 plus 1 equals 216. The next step I'd like to show is a pictorial representation. So 400, 5, minus 180, nine. So the first step would be to deal with our ones. So we will be canceling out our fives, or 5 ones from 405 and 5 ones from 189. The next step would be to break down 100 to 10 tens. So from here we can break down 4 ones and break down a 10. So 10 minus 4 would equal 6 ones. After this, we can break down our tens from 189. So 1, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then our hundreds. So this gives us 200, 110, and 6 ones. 216. Our next step will be to do a symbolic approach. So we'll have 405 minus 189 equals 400 minus 100 minus 80 plus 5 minus 9. From here we can find 400 minus 100 minus 80 to be 400, 300, 220 minus 4. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. So our total from here would be 216. And then using one last from here we'll use our base 10 blocks. So it's the same as our pictorial, just using our blocks. So we'll be getting rid of our 5 ones from 405. And 5 ones from 189. Then we'll break down 100 for 10 tens. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So from here we'll get rid of the rest of our ones from 189, which is 4, to cancel out a 10, or trade in a 10, which will leave us 6 ones So from here we will deal through tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then our hundreds, 100s, or 100s from each side. This will leave us with 200s, 110, and 6 ones. 216.